Do you have a quarterly update Google Slides presentation that's linked back to your Google Sheet? Do you give a weekly update for your team that's linked to your weekly report? Update all your linked graphs in one easy step. I'm Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to update all your linked graphs at once. When you copy and paste a graph from Google Sheets, Slides will prompt and ask you whether you'd like to link your graph back to the sheet. Then, in your Google Slides presentation, go to Tools, Linked Objects. A right side panel will show up that will indicate all your linked graphs and the sheet location to which they are linked. At the bottom, click Update All. So there you have it. Update all your linked graphs in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn.